Okay, this is the Dream Spa 4 Spray Hand Shower and Shower Head Combo with the LED lights. So basically this is what it looks like. This is the hose. I actually wish the hose were a bit longer. It doesn't quite reach to the bottom of the tub. I was just heading it on. And the only other downside is that sometimes this seems a little bit loose here. But it holds it. It's actually never fallen out, so I guess that really can't be a downside. And then this is the two nozzles. There's this one and then there's the hand one, and they each have 4 settings that you can switch. Just like that. Oops. It's really easy to switch them. And then you can either do just the hand shower, both, or just this one by changing this lever here. So right now I have it at the top for both. And then if you do a click down, that's another setting, another click over, that's another setting. It's super easy to use, and it has lights. Blue is for cold, green is for warm, and red is for hot. And then there's temperatures that it can read, and in the user manual it tells you what the range of temperatures for each color is. So I'll turn it on now, and you can see the colors. Okay, spray out the tub. Blue is for cold. Warm. Hot. Okay, and then really easy again, the different types of sprays for each one. This one as well. 4 different settings. Our favorite part is the LED color. My daughter loves it because she doesn't have to wonder the temperature when she gets in. Okay, back to warm, and then bring it on to cold again. That's it. Great shower head, functions great. We love it.